Want to use drones to take your business or organization to new heights? Become an FAA certified drone pilot. To get certified, you must pass the FAA's Aeronautical Knowledge Test. This test covers over 120 concepts, including FAA regulations, airspace classes, emergency operations, sectional charts, loading and performance, weather conditions, and much more. That's where we come in. Drone Pilot Ground School is an online test prep and training course. More than 99% of our students pass the FAA's test on their first attempt. As a student, you'll get access to lectures that teach you all the concepts you need to know. Most lectures include a video lesson, but if you learn best by reading, you can scroll down for the full lesson text. You can also print out the lessons if you want to study offline. You'll feel prepared after working your way through our practice tests with hundreds of real FAA test questions. After you complete each practice test, you'll be emailed a performance report so you'll know exactly what you got right and wrong. And you'll get unlimited one-on-one support if you need help or have questions as you study. We're only a phone call or email away. And while the FAA doesn't require you to demonstrate actual flight proficiency, we hold our students to a higher standard. So if you pass our at-home flight challenge, we'll award you with a course diploma. At Drone Pilot Ground School, we not only help you pass the FAA test, but also train you to become a safe, responsible remote pilot for your business or organization. Join thousands of students and enroll in Drone Pilot Ground School today.